Welcome to the WeGene at-home DNA test kit review, usage experience. Links to the product are included in the description below. WeGene is an at-home DNA test kit designed primarily for individuals of Asian descent seeking tailored genetic insights, though it also provides comprehensive data for a global audience. This service focuses on delivering accurate and culturally relevant information on ancestry, health, fitness, and lifestyle, making it a standout choice for those with specific regional heritage or anyone looking for a deeper understanding of their genetic makeup. The WeGene process begins with a simple cheek swab. The kit is user-friendly, with clear instructions for collecting your sample and sending it back to the lab. Once processed, you gain access to a robust online platform with detailed reports on ancestry, offering a breakdown that includes specific regions within Asia. The ancestry data is highly granular and especially valuable for those of East Asian heritage, where other DNA services might lack depth. WeGene also provides personalized health and wellness insights, covering areas like diet recommendations, skin health, and fitness traits. Their reports include actionable tips based on your genetic profile, such as optimal exercise routines or dietary adjustments, which are practical and easy to implement. One unique feature is their focus on traditional health metrics tied to regional data, which adds a cultural dimension to their analysis. Another standout feature is WeGene's ability to integrate raw DNA data from other testing platforms, such as 23andMe or Ancestry DNA, allowing you to maximize your genetic insights without needing to retest. This makes it a great option for anyone looking to expand on existing results. WeGene is ideal for individuals interested in exploring their Asian ancestry in depth or seeking health insights tailored to their genetic profile. However, if your focus is ancestry outside of Asia, other platforms might provide broader coverage. In summary, WeGene offers a specialized and detailed DNA testing experience, particularly for those of Asian descent, with actionable health and lifestyle insights. If this matches your goals, check the links in the description to get started today.